can't stand your tomorrow, so I guess I'll just believe it, that tomorrow never knows. I say night, I'm living in the forest of my dreams. I know the night is not as it would seem. I must believe in something, so I'll make myself believe it, that this night will never go. You take my self-control. 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 Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so tired of being here, suppressed by all my childish fears. And if you have to leave, I wish that you would just leave. Your presence still lingers here, and it won't leave me alone. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cry, I wipe away all of your tears. When you scream, I wipe away all of your fears. I held your hand through all of these years that you still have. All of me. You used to captivate me by your resonating light. Now I'm bound by the life you left behind. Your face it haunts my once pleasant dreams. Your voice it chased away all the sanity in me. These words won't seem to heal. Pain is just too real. There's just too much that sun cannot erase. When you cry, I wipe away all of your tears. When you scream, I wouldn't have let you touch on me so sweetly. No, I can't let go of this dream. I can't breathe that I feel. But I'm not. I feel good enough for you. Must be strangely exciting to watch the story square. Must be someone telling to watch them burning share. But you're not alone. You're invited and none for tonight. Slide. Like Eliangela Terra, story I must seem greatly intriguing. You speak of my love like you have experienced love like mine before. But this is not alone. You're uninvited and unfortunate. Slide. I don't think you're unworthy. I need a moment to deliberate. Thank you, Flo, for inviting me here to sing for all of you. Hope you had a great time. Thank you for your party and thank you for your awesome fireworks. Disconnecting my stream in 3, 2, and 1.